Good evening, friends. Welcome to our channel, Bull Run Trading. Today, we will discuss on EV. EV means electrical vehicles. So, we will invest on. Can we invest on electrical vehicles or not? We will discuss on deeply, and the buying levels also we will tell you. So, we will start our video. If you newcomers, please kindly do subscribe, and we'll get the new videos and notification instantly. Okay, we will begin our video. Thank you. So let's start with the uh, let's start with Tata Motors. We will discuss on Tata Motors, and we will discuss on Tata Power, and we will discuss on Tata Chemicals. So why we choose the three shares like Tata Motors and Tata Power and Tata Chemical? Okay, the video will be created two languages. One is English and one is for Telugu. So this is English, and we will create a Telugu as well. So the next level. So the government back to Energy Efficiency Service Limited (BESL) has issued a tender for 20k EV to be developed across the country for government use. With this, the government aims to EV sales potentiation of 30% for private cars and 70% of commercial cars and 40% for buses and 80% for two and three wheelers by 2030. So Indian government already decided. So pace wise they are increasing and they are developing the EV motor vehicles, and they are giving some incentives. They're giving some policies and some scrap ratios also they are giving, but in rental base they have to give some incentives. They will, then the customer will attract for EV motor vehicles to buy in India. So electrical vehicles only means electrical vehicles will charge everywhere. In future we will get everywhere all charging points like petrol. You can see uh, petrol bunks, oil bunks, and gas filling stations, whatever. We will see the electrical charging points everywhere. Already started somewhere. We will see that. Okay, like Tata Power already started their points everywhere. Most of the biggest states and but big cities, they already established their charging points like this. Okay, we will avoid the petrol using cars in future. Later 2030, 15 years is our scrap policy. We cannot hold the vehicle more than 15 years. So how the uh, electrical car will work? The control investor in electrical terminator car, transact motor, and DC-DC converter and terminal system cooling. Okay, the battery accelerator and onboard charging and transmission, charging point, and transact the battery pack. Okay, we need lithium battery for recharging batteries purpose. So we will discuss on deep why we choose three companies from Tata Motors. Okay, how the electrical car will charge from here, and this is the pack. Okay, discuss on before. Okay, uh, transact battery pack, and then charge and lithium battery, and then motor will start only. There was no additional motors in electrical car right now. So these Tata Motors already established their Nexon EV, but 10 lakhs above they given some price on market price and 10 lakhs, and they This is Tata Motors, right? Vehicles will be manufactured from Tata Motors, and vehicle charging points will be operated Tata Power. Okay, Tata Power, right? We'll see here Tata Power, and this vehicle Tata Motor. So Tata Motor and Tata Vehicle. So both companies. Why you choose Tata Chemical? Okay, for manufacturing of here we have a lithium batteries. Over here, lithium batteries. To charge the lithium batteries, we need a lithium battery manufactured in India. So Tata Power already started their plant in Gujarat, already established and pilot lot also completed. They are in established, they are in progress. Okay, so why we choose the three companies? Tata Motors will be manufacturing the car, light motor vehicle, heavy motor vehicle. Tata Power will give you power connections everywhere in India, and Tata Chemicals will be made batteries for cars. So this is a cycle point. First vehicles with batteries with charging points. Okay, I think you got the point. Tata Motors will be manufacturing the cars, light motor vehicles, heavy motor vehicles, and Tata Chemicals will be manufacture lithium batteries for light motor vehicles and cars, etc. Tata Power will be establish their charging points everywhere in India to charge their Tata Chemicals manufactured battery and their Tata Motors to run the Tata Motors. Okay, so these are the conclusion. So every batteries will be recycled. So first battery will be manufactured with the global policies, and charging points will be there, and they recycle their batteries and give to customers for their use, regular use. This is cycle point. Cycle secondary use. Okay, they are in established mode. So we will discuss on charts for the Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals, Tata Chemicals, Tata Power, Tata Motors. Okay, right. We will go for chart now. So Tata Chemicals having 517 rupees. The higher price will be 7 on February 22nd. 800 rupees is high, 1 year high. We will chart, check, we will chart here. 1 year high, 517 rupees. 517. Okay, and then Tata Motors 331 rupees. Already they are in aggressive mode. Okay, already they got their higher level in 1 year. 52 weeks high. They reached on 52 weeks high today. 9 rupees at their point. Okay, next Tata Power 84 rupees 85 paisa. So it can be made easy to buy the Tata Power. Okay, these are the stocks. Okay, right now having some segment wise vehicles sales. We will see the sales on year for the year of 2017-2018. 54,800 two-wheeler vehicles are sold out. Now 2018 and 2019 1,26,000. So we are in 2021. We will see the growth in EV vehicles. There was there was also sales for three wheelers and four wheelers as well. So increasing in huge changes in 18 and 19. Okay, we will see next 1920 and 2021. Okay, by the regional wise, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Gujarat, everywhere they implemented EV vehicles. Okay, EV vehicles everywhere. In India in 2018 report. This is 2018 report. This is established everywhere. Okay, so how to buy the electrical vehicles only. Okay, some we will check some more points here. Who are making EV vehicles in India today? So while establishing the companies are slow to warm up to transition electrical vehicles, lesser known and entities startups startups are stocking the changes. Two-wheelers manufacturers, yes, Ajanta manufacturing, some kind of manufacturers also there. We will know the Honda India, Luya Auto, Mahindra, TVS, Ultra Motors, Rio Bikes, and local companies also there, and private limited companies also there. So Hero Motorca is the major, and Mahindra also making their two-wheelers right now. And three-wheelers also Bajaj Auto, Electrotherm, and Mahindra. These are three-wheelers manufactured. Four-wheeler manufacturers are Mahindra and Tata also. Bus, Va- Volvo, and some gold stones. Okay. Some heavy vehicles, heavy duty vehicles are Volvo. They are making Volvos. Volvo bus also they are making EV type. Okay. And we will see how we will buy, how many stocks we need to buy, the how much stocks we can start to build our portfolio with the EV vehicles in future 2030 and 2050. So Tata Motors, if you take 40 shares spots on SIP basis, means systematic investment plan basis, the present stock, current market I have taken, current market value 13,000 for Tata Motors, 20,000 for Tata Chemicals, and 3,300 rupees for Tata Power. Total 37,000, having 120 shares. So these are my build portfolio for EV. Already I gained some profit over here on Tata Motors and Tata Power. So I can't touch now on Tata Chemicals because they need to correct their higher price. Then I will enter into the Tata Chemicals. So we are waiting for some corrections. So already they touched their higher. Okay. So we will conclude on EV vehicles. So we will buy some Tata Motors, fundamentally strong shares. Tata Motors is the best for EV in future. Please buy some shares and keep to your portfolio for long term investment. Okay. I will give you the charts analysis later. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Good night.